Good morning everyone and welcome to the class. Today we will be doing some questions from the chapter in the early cities. The questions which are given at the end of the chapter. Those will be the answers to those questions will be provided to you through our Teams, Microsoft Teams, and the questions from within the chapter will be discussed in today's class. Okay. So we will be doing extra questions. Our first question is when were the earliest cities developed in the Indian subcontinent? The answer is that the earliest cities were developed around 4,700 years ago. Okay, and now we see the next question. Name the five tributaries. Name the five tributaries of river Indus. Name the five tributaries of Indus River. The five tributaries are Satluj, Ravi, Jhelum, Chenab and Vyas. These are the five tributaries. So you will write the five tributaries of Indus River are डैश देखिए नीचे आप 1 2 3 4 5 करके पांचों रिवर्स के नाम लिखेंगे. ओके, एंड नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज नेम द important places. Name the important places where the earliest cities developed. So name the important places where the earliest cities developed. The important places where the earliest cities developed are following डैश. उसके बाद आप देंगे हड़प्पा, मोहनजोदारो, चन्हूदारो, धोलावीरा, सुरकोटदा, लोथल, राखीगढ़ी, कालीबंगन. Okay, all these are the important places where these earlier cities were developed. You can see the names in the map which is given on page number 33, है ना. पेज नंबर 33 पे जो मैप दिया हुआ है उसमें आपको ये सारे सिटीज का नाम मिल जाएगा, है ना. तो उससे आप ये लिख सकते हो. यू कैन राइट इट. देयर विल नॉट बी एनी प्रॉब्लम इन राइटिंग द आंसर्स. ओके, एंड नाउ वी हैव नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What was Citadel. Citadel क्या था? What was citadel? So you will write that the western part of the earlier cities were the western part of the earlier cities was smaller and higher. This was described as citadel. The western part of the earlier cities was small and high. This place was known as citadel. Okay, and now we come to the next question. The next question is, what was Great Bath? The question is, so what will be your answer? In Mohenjo-daro, a very special tank. In Mohenjo-daro, a very special tank is found. A very special tank is found by the archaeologist, which they call the Great Bath. In Mohenjo-daro, a very special tank was found by the archaeologist, which they call the Great Bath. Okay, and now the next question we have. Name the two cities where fire altars have been found by the archaeologist. Name two cities where fire altars were found by the archaeologist. Okay, so these are the places, Kalibangan and Lothal. Kalibangan and Lothal are the cities where fire altars were found by the archaeologist. Okay, and now we come to the next question. The next question is, describe the describe the houses of the earliest cities. So in this answer you will write that in the earliest cities houses were either 1 or 2 stories high. Full stop. पहला first point आपका हो गया. In the earlier cities, houses were either 1 or 2 stories high. Then second point, the houses had a courtyard. The houses had a courtyard around which rooms were built. The houses had a courtyard around which the rooms were built. Third point, most houses had a separate bathing area. Most houses had a separate bathing area. And then the next point and last point, fourth point, some houses had wells to supply water. Some houses had wells to supply water. So this is about the houses in the earlier cities. Okay, and now we come to the Next question. The next question is which people lived in the earliest cities? Answer is the people who lived in the earlier cities were following. The first is the ruler, the second is the scribes, and the third is the craft persons. Okay, so this is your answer. And now we see the next question. Name some new crafts Name some new crafts in the city. ओके, शहर में कौन कौन से नए क्राफ्ट जो थे वो यूज़ होते थे, लोग क्या नई तरह की चीज़ें बनाते थे. सो द न्यू craft in the cities, the new crafts in the cities were following. First, beads making. Second, making of the stone weights. Third, making of the stone blades. Then pots with beautiful black designs were also made. Fourth point आपका है pots with beautiful black designs were also made. And the fifth point is that cotton was spinning and weaving of the cotton. Spinning, इसको मैं लिख दे रही हूँ, इसकी स्पेलिंग spinning SPINNING, spinning and weaving of the cotton cloth. These were the new crafts in the cities. Okay, so now we see the next question. Next question is what do you mean by a specialist? The question is what do you mean by a specialist? कौन होते थे specialist? A specialist is a person who is trained to do. A specialist is a person who is trained to do only one kind of work. Okay, for example, cutting stone. For example, cutting stones or polishing beads or carving seals. Okay, and now we come to the next question. Write two different types of raw materials. Writes two different types of raw materials. There are two types of raw material. Answer is your answer is there are two types of raw materials dash first point देके आप लिखोगे naturally found substances, naturally found substances like wood or ores of metal which are naturally found. तो first point आपका क्या है? The first point is naturally found minerals such as wood or ores of metal, and the second is the substance which are produced by farmers or herders, the substances which are produced by farmers or herders. So these two types of raw materials were there. ठीक है, these are two different types of raw material. Okay, and now we see next question, and this they got copper from Rajasthan and Oman, and they got tin from present day Afghanistan and Iran. All these questions are there in the matching the columns. उसमें ये questions आपके हैं. So I am not at present I am not doing. There is no need to repeat the same question. The questions which are given at the end of the chapter will not be. We don't need to give that question again as extra questions. Okay, तो हमने उसको छोड़ दिया है. And now we see the next question. The next question is which crops were grown by the Harappans? Which crops were grown by the Harappans? So we will write the answer that the Harappans grew wheat, barley, pulses, peas, rice, sesame, linseed and mustard. Okay. Now next question, name the tool which was used to dig the earth. Name the tool which was used to dig the earth for turning the soil and planting seeds. For turning the soil and planting the seeds. Okay, so the tool was plough. P-L-O-U-G-H. Okay, and now we see the next question. Now the next question is what do you mean by seals? So we will write the answer that seals may have been used to stamp bags, Seals may have been used to stamp stamp bags or packets which contained goods that were sent from one place to another Okay, and now the next question is, what do you mean by sealings? The next question is, what do you mean by sealings? Sealings क्या होते हैं? So we will write that the impression of the seal is known as a sealing. जो seal पर जो impression लगाते हैं उसी को sealing कहते हैं. Okay, so the impression of the seal is known as sealing. Okay, and now we will see the next question. In how many parts the city of Dholavira was divided? Answer is the city of Dholavira was divided into 3 parts, है ना. धोलावीरा की जो सिटी थी वो 3 parts में divided थी. Okay, and now we have next question. What were the important findings of the city of Dholavira by the archaeologist? So the answer is, we will write down in such a way that the important findings of the city of Dholavira by the archaeologists are following. The first is, Dholavira was divided into 3 parts. Okay. The second point is that a large open area in the settlement was found. This is your second point, है ना. A large open area in the settlement was found, which could have been used for public ceremonies. ठीक है, which could have been used for public ceremonies. And now the third point is, large letters of the Harappan script were found, which were carved out of white stone. So these are the three important findings of this city. You don't have to write this sentence which I have told. You have to write only points. पहले point में आप लिखोगे कि the city was divided into three parts. दूसरे point में आप लिखोगे कि a large open area in the settlement was found which could have been used for public ceremonies, and the third is that the large letters of Harappan script were found, which were carved out of white stone. Okay, now we come to the next question, and the next question is about Lothal. The same question will be there. What were the important findings of the city of Lothal? धोलावीरा की जगह हम लिखेंगे Lothal. What were the important findings of the city of Lothal by the archaeologist? So what we find that what were the important findings of this city? So you will write the answer that the important findings of the city of Lothal which were found by the archaeologist are following. The first is that the first is point दे के आप लिखोगे. First point Lothal was an important center for making objects out of stone, shell and metal. Lothal was an important center for making objects out of stone, shell and metal. And the second point is that a storehouse is also found in the city. And the third point is a dockyard is also found in the city. So these are the three findings of the city of Lothal. And now we see the next question. The next question is about the mystery of the end, है ना? So the question is how did the earlier cities come to end? How did the earlier cities come to an end? Not end. How did the earlier cities come to an end? कैसे उनका अंत हो गया? So we will write down around 3,900 years ago. Around first point आपका होगा around 3,900 years ago people stopped living in many of the cities. Around 3,900 years ago people stopped living in many of the cities. Second point, writing, seals and weights were no longer in use. Writing, seals and weights were no longer in use. Third point, raw materials became rare. Fourth point, in Mohenjo-daro, garbage piled up on the streets and the drainage system broke down. In Mohenjo-daro, garbage piled up on the streets and the drainage system broke down. So this was the end of the earlier cities, है ना? इस तरह से वो end होता है. And now we see the reason. What could be the reason for the end of the What could be the reason for the end of the earliest cities? In this answer you will write that historians are not sure about the reason. Historians are not sure about the reason for the end of these earlier cities. First point. Second point, but it appears as if the rulers lost control. Okay, so this is your answer, and we have completed the chapter. Now in the next class we will start a new chapter.